Next rule we will be discussing rule number 5, that is all about compound nouns. How do we make compound nouns into plural form? How can we convert compound nouns? Okay, कंपाउंड नाउन्स प्लूरल हम कैसे करेंगे? तो उनके साथ कंपाउंड नाउन का मतलब होता है कि 2-3 वर्ड्स का एक नाउन बना हुआ हो, 2-3 वर्ड्स का एक नाउन आपका बना हुआ होगा। इसका मतलब सिंपली होगा कि आपके 2 नाउन्स भी 2-3 वर्ड्स हो सकते हैं, 2 नाउन्स भी हो सकते हैं। सन इन लॉ, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, इंग्लिश टीचर। So see, look at the word English and teacher. So 2 words, yet this is one noun. English teacher is one man, prime minister is one man, son-in-law is can be many, but if there are many तो उनको हम क्या करेंगे? प्लूरल करेंगे। एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर 2 हो सकते हैं, 2 डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ के, तो उनको हम क्या करेंगे? प्लूरल करेंगे। इंग्लिश टीचर 1 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, तो हम उनके साथ भी उनको भी प्लूरल कर सकते हैं। देन दिस इज़ हाउ यू विल बी मेकिंग सम अदर एग्जाम्पल्स। हम आगे चलते जाएंगे, लेकिन हम रूल को डिस्कस करते हैं यहाँ पे कि जो आपके कंपाउंड नाउन्स होंगे, दोज ऑफ योर कंपाउंड नाउन्स, हाउ कैन वी मेक देयर प्लूरल्स? तो आप याद रखें, मेन वर्ड, मेजर वर्ड, प्रिंसिपल वर्ड। प्रिंसिपल वर्ड, मेन वर्ड, मेजर वर्ड का मतलब क्या है? जो आपका प्रिंसिपल वर्ड होगा, मतलब इनमें से सन इन लॉ, सन इन लॉ, इस वर्ड में आपको पता चलता होगा कि मेजर वर्ड क्या है? सन है, लॉ नहीं है, इन नहीं है, सन इन लॉ। तो हम क्या करेंगे? सन के साथ इस लगा देंगे, वो हो जाएगा आपका सन्स इन लॉ, सन्स इन लॉ। हम इसको ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, सन इन्स लॉ। This way is wrong because in is not principal word. Principal word is, that means major word, main word. Main word is what? That is sun. So exact word is sun, and then it is sun. So you would use what? That is you will add s to the main word, principal word. Principal word is sun. So we have added s to the sun, and then we neither do we add that s to law as well. So suppose अगर ऐसे भी हो किसी सेंटेंस के अंदर, son in laws, so this is again wrong, and you will do what? Sons in law. Here s will be added. This is correct form. And then next example is there, prime minister. So prime is not major word. So पहले यहाँ पर क्या था बेटा? son major word था, यहाँ पर minister मेजर वर्ड है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर, वज़ीर आज़म, असल तो वज़ीर है वो। हाँ, सो दिस इज़ हाउ प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स, एस हम ऐड करेंगे मेजर वर्ड के साथ, मिनिस्टर है। इंग्लिश टीचर, इंग्लिश मेजर वर्ड नहीं है, टीचर मेजर वर्ड है, हम बात टीचर की कर रहे हैं। एंड देन सो दैट इज़ कॉमन, रादर कॉमन वर्ड। एंड देन दिस इज़ हाउ इंग्लिश टीचर्स, and if we take some other, daughter-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, these all are the examples. Daughter-in-law law is an example, like we'll do the same thing as we were doing there, right there, son-in-law. So daughters-in-law added s to the principal word, that is daughter. There was son. So this is how we'll be dealing with some compound nouns to make plural of them. So as far as these plural forms of are concerned to these compound words, and then just try to open your mind, just try to be quite creative to know which one is the principal word, which one is the major word. So whether once you have come to know, once you have gotten, once you have explored that which is the principal word, major word, and then there is, your job is done. There is no any other rocket science to discover, to explore. This is very easy job. This is, again I'm saying, this is quite kids stuff, and only to know, only to identify the principal word, main word, major word, and that only can be done by using your mind. If you are quite open-minded, if you can understand the words well, and this is how, just take different examples from these nouns, and then you will be moving yourselves. You will be coming to know that this is principal words. These are the principal words, and we'll add only s to the main words. So let's take some other examples. Man of war. मैन ऑफ वो. ओके, सो दिस हेयर अगेन, अगर आप समझ सकते हैं कि इसमें मेजर क्लास प्रिंसिपल वर्ड कौन सा है, मैन है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, अब मैन का आप करेंगे मैंस नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ये नेक्स्ट रूल हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. क्या होगा, मैन का MEN, तो हम करेंगे मैन ऑफ वो. दिस इज हाउ इट विल बी प्लूरल ऑफ मैन ऑफ वॉर. प्रिजनर, प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर. प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर आप किसको कहते हैं, जो कि मैन ऑफ वॉर इज़ ए मैन हु फाइट्स वॉर. प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर इज़ ए मैन हु इज़ कॉट ड्यूरिंग द वॉर and he is captured by enemy of foes, army of foes, armed forces of foes. When he is caught, when he is captured by the enemy army, and he will be called prisoner of war. So some a year before, in fact, Indian air commanding officer Abhinandan was arrested, and he was called POW, that means prisoner of war. So pose, कभी कभी क्या करते हैं, POW लिखते हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म में. सो pose, that means prisoner of war. And then this is how main word is prisoner, कैदी. So this is how we'll make plural by adding s to the principal word, prisoners of war. So this would be like prisoner of war, and we have done with some prisoners of war. So this is how you will be next one example, stepson. It will be stepson. Okay, word is stepson, that is raised son. Step is not a major word, so we won't add here is stepsons. Clear? So these are some examples that we have taken from compound nouns to look them over, and then we have decided, and we have come to know, and this is only a sort of game to solve new kind of enigmatic solutions from these words, and this is how you will be moving forward. This is suppose we have done for today. So far so it is, and we will discuss tomorrow the next rules, some other rules, some new things. We'll be dealing with them. Till that, all the best. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.